This is Graves into Gardens in the Key of C by Brandon Lake, Tiffany Hammer, Stephen Furtick, and Chris Brown. It's a really simple way to play this. So as always, you can click on the description of the video, and I do have the chord sheet for you to be able to print out and follow along with me. So let's take a look at the simple chords for this song. We have C, F, G, then we have an A minor and D minor. So a C chord is right here, C, E, G. Right up from that is a D minor, D, F, A. Then if we scoot down here, we could play an F chord, F, A, C, G chord, G, B, D. Then our A minor, right up from there again, A, C, E. Okay, so review, we have a C chord, D minor, F, G, A minor. All right, left hand can put thumb on C, and then you don't really have to move this hand the whole song. So we have a C note with C chord. Then you could play a D by just opening your thumb here one note when you play that D minor. F, G, and A with A minor in the upper hand, okay? All right, the rhythm that we can do for the most part to kind of get away with this song is together, right. Together, right. Together, right. Practice that over and over. F, G, and so on, okay? All right, let's look at verses because you're gonna have a little bit different rhythm for the verses than my typical songs that I teach. So let's just look at verse 1 here. I searched the world. When I would start these verses, I would mainly go like that. I would kind of block it instead of going together, right, you don't have enough time to transition from that chord to the C chord, okay? So we would just go, I searched the world, but it wouldn't fill me. A man's empty, A minor, and treasures that G are never enough, F, okay? Let's look at that again. And I searched the world, but F fill me. A man's empty, A minor, treasures that G are never enough. Okay, that's how the verses are gonna go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty simple. Just have a little bit of a bum bum. And then the chorus, we're gonna go, oh, there's nothing better than you. Oh, there's nothing, A minor, better than you. Oh, there's nothing better than you. C. I'm gonna go for that chorus again. Oh, there's nothing better than you. Oh, there's nothing better than you, Lord. There's F. And nothing is better than you. Okay, and then you can jump back into the verse 3 there, or verse 2, whatever, wherever you're at. And I'm not afraid to show you my weakness. Excuse me. My failures and flaws, Lord, you've seen them all, and you still call me friend. Oh, there's nothing. And then you can go in the chorus there again. The bridge, we kind of have this bum, 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 bum rhythm. If you've ever heard them play it, they have a lot of energy when they bring this. So bridge 1 and 2 will look like this. Let's see. You turn mourning to dancing. Bum, 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 bum. You give beauty for ashes. Bum, 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 bum. You turn shame into glory. You're the only one who can. They kind of drive that last A minor, F, and C. Okay? And then bridge 2 is the same thing. You turn graves into gardens. You turn bones into armies. You turn seas into highways. You're the A minor, F, C. you can end on that C as well when you do the tag at the end. All right, I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can go back to the beginning if you need a little extra help, but I think you can follow along with me. Have a lot of fun with this one. This one is a lot of energy. And I searched the world, but it couldn't fill me. A man's empty praise and treasures that fade are never enough. Then you came along and put me back together, and every desire is now satisfied here in your love. Oh, there's nothing better than you. Oh, there's nothing better than you, Lord. There's nothing, nothing is better than you. And I'm not afraid to show you my weakness, my failures and flaws. Lord, you've seen them all, and you still call me friend. 'Cause the good of the mountain is the God of the valley, and there's not a place your mercy and grace won't find me again. Oh, there's nothing better than you. Oh, there's nothing better than you. Oh, there's nothing, nothing is better than you. Though there's nothing better than you. Oh, there's nothing better than you, Lord. There's nothing, nothing is better than you. You turn mourning to dancing. You give beauty for ashes. You turn shame into glory. You're the only one who can. You turn graves into gardens. You turn bones into armies. You turn seas into highways. You're the only one who can. You're the only one who can. Oh, there's nothing better